Oh, nice. A tool set. A rolling tool chest. Nice. Buy Just Like Home Workshop. A rolling tool chest. 25 pieces. Nice. I see a saw, a hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, nuts and bolts. Nice. A rolling tool chest. Additional storage. Detachable pegboard. Retractable handle makes it easy to transport. Okay, nice. And what do we have here? A drill?
Electric drill and pieces of styrofoam wood we can use to build stuff.
Right,
And
right.
here is all the stuff we can build.
Oh,
right here.
what are those?
There's a windmill, a wagon, a sled, a rocking horse, a wheelbarrow, a picture frame, a dump truck, a clock, a treasure box, a cannon, and a train car, and a school bus.
Awesome, Hulyan. Awesome. But these are not made out of wood, right?
Yeah, styrofoam wood.
There you go. But they look like wood. Right? What, Hulyan?
My favorite is gonna be the sled.
Sled?
Yeah, that's gonna be my favorite.
Because you love riding on a sled?
Yeah, but when I
snow sled?
but it's so cold. The snow, it's super cold.
Yeah, but it's fun, hey? And yeah, it's portable.
And you can put this down and up.
The handle, huh? Okay, pull it.
Oh, yeah.
There you go. It's like a luggage, huh?
It's like it's like a suitcase.
Like a suitcase, yeah.
And
So are you ready, Hulyan?
yep.
Okay.
Oh wait, it looks like here you can like put the drill up and down.
Oh, that's nice, yeah. And it spins. I mean, the drill head spins. Just like the real thing, huh? Nice.
And there is a lot of stuff. There is a vise, saw, hammer, pliers, 2 screwdrivers,
Cuttable wood.
wood, 6 bolts, 4 nuts, and 4 nails.
Awesome.
And a lot of other stuff.
What, Maya?
I'm gonna build this.
What are you going to build? All of them?
No, I'm gonna tell she's gonna like build the windmill. Yeah, the windmill.
Windmill?
I want to build what? There's a wagon and a cannon.
A picture frame.
Next one. A dump truck.
A dump truck.
We already have a dump truck.
Yeah. Nice, a tool chest.
And one more.
Okay.
Now, how do we open it?
Ooh, I see the tools. I see the tools.
Alright.
Open the drawers.
We're first gonna go at the very top. Nothing inside here.
The second drawer.
Nothing in here. The only thing that has everything is this one, Odin.
Right.
Ta-da!
There you go. There are the tools.
Alright, now we have to get them out.
Okay.
Okay. Now to pick them up.
I see the nuts and bolts and screwdrivers and pliers.
Alright, here is the stuff.
Hammer.
Right here. Look at this. Alright, I'm gonna play everything in the world. Ebbe, ebbe, ebbe. Alright.
Wait.
Okay. I wonder if I can pick up the hammer using the plier. Alright. Alright, and...
The cuttable wood.
And... Wait, it's not broken.
Time to saw the wood. Like this, Hulyan.
What? Like what?
There. Okay, cut it. No. There you go. Now it's cut.
Yep. We're gonna cut this. Cut. And cut.
Time to saw. There you go.
Yep.
Cuttable wood.
Uh-huh.
A Carpenter print and play.
So So, but this
Okay.
is where you put all of your like tools and stuff. All right, time to put it on.
Yeah, that's where you hang the tools.
Now it's hammer.
Snap it, mommy. Snap it in.
Wait, I need to. Whoa.
Okay?
We're building this suitcase.
There you go.
Build the
A
suitcase.
suitcase. A tool chest.
Time to hammer.
Nice.
I mean screw. Yep, and get the screws.
Awesome.
and
All set, mommy?
screw. Wait.
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
I need to screw
That
this.
thing.
Okay, let's screw it. Yeah. And yeah. And all screwed. And now, I don't think it's gonna. All right.
There you
Time
go.
to screw.
Tighten the screw.
Oh gosh. All right. Yeah.
There you go, boy.
Yeah.
Okay. The other side.
Alright.
Tightening the screw. Okay. Mommy, unbox the drill.
Hey.
Battery operated drill. Point. There you go.
Now we are gonna.
Hammer time. Okay, the drill is unboxed.
So no batteries, right?
We need to put batteries.
What's alright? What is this?
Okay.
I think this is for how you put the batteries.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Let's try it first.
There are no batteries, mommy. Oh, yeah, there are.
Alright, so what screw are we gonna use?
Drill head.
Wait, let's see. Oi. I'm gonna pick for this one because it looks nicer.
Okay.
Nice. Alright. Alright, and
You're good.
done.
All right.
Uh-huh.
Hammer time. Oh.
Yeah.
Hammer that nail.
Okay, talk to him. And there you go.
Drill that screw. There you go.
Alright.
The nut, Hulyan.
Get the knot. Put
Yeah.
it in.
Up the other way.
Oh, this way?
Yep.
Okay. Now do we like spin it?
Yeah.
Is this the right way?
Yeah, that's the right way. There you go, boy.
Alright. Screw. Get this.
There you go, boy. Good job. You got it.
Alright. Almost to the end of the screw.
Mm-hmm.
And
Nice. What now, boy?
we're gonna put this in the drawer. Yes.
Here, Hulyan.
Okay. Put the drawer stuff.
Yeah,
in.
because that's a big
Oh
one.
wait, you can't do
No.
it. It's like oh. You can do it this high.
So this is the rechargeable battery. Pretend rechargeable battery. And this is where you put the batteries, mommy.
Okay.
Now let's put it back. Now we put it inside
Okay.
and take out this. It's not. It's a little bit not gonna fit.
There you go.
Get the.
Let's.
Put this one there. Get the wood. So this goes inside here because it's better in there. And last thing.
Okay.
Up and close.
Awesome, right?
Huh.
Nice. I love that drill, mommy.
Yeah.
I love this rechargeable battery. Take it off, mommy.
Yeah. Ooh.
Nice, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, put it back.
Okay. Right.
Okay. And then you can adjust it. There you go.
Yeah.
And it lights up. Nice. Awesome. Okay, mommy, unscrew this. Oh! Unscrew that bolt. Wait. Mommy, there you go. Yay! Awesome.
Okay.
Where's the Phillips? Oh, there you go. Phillips screwdriver. Removing the screw.
Yeah.
And don't forget the nut. Okay. Removing that bolt. I'm gonna help you, Mommy.
Okay. Okay.
Yay! And the other bolt.
Wait.
Yeah. There you go.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Awesome tool chest, Mommy.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah, the wood is cut. One more, Mommy. There you go. Okay, change the drill head, Mommy. There you go.
Okay.
Master Carpenter Foam Project Kit. Yay! Made out of foam, Mommy. Styrofoam. But they look like real wood, huh?
Yeah. Ooh.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh. Nice, Mommy, huh? What you gonna do, Mommy? What you gonna do? Oh.
Okay.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Right.
Okay. The pieces. Nice. They look like a puzzle, Mommy. Right? Yep, they look like a puzzle. Okay. What are you building, Mommy?
Dump truck.
A dump truck?
Yeah.
Okay. A dump truck. Hey, nice, Mommy. Are you building it correctly? I hope so.
Yeah.
Okay. Installing the bolts. Red bolts, Mommy, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now the wheels. Yay, the wheels are installed.
Hey.
Now the truck has 4 wheels. Yay! Beep, 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 beep. Okay, continue, Mommy.
Okay.
Yay! Almost done. Ha 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 ha.
Yeah.
A dump truck.
Okay.
Okay, the nut, Mommy. Okay, okay, put that one. Okay, and then the nuts. Yay!
Beep,
Yay! Now we have a wooden dumpster.
beep.
Yay! See that?
Cool.
Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Awesome. Nice. Okay, project number 1 is done. Project number 1 is built. Awesome, Mommy. Good job. A dump truck. What is that?
It's a drawing of the alien, and there's outside, and there's Earth, and that's the moon, and that's what's this one called?
I don't know. You're the one who drew it.
It's orange, and it has a ring around.
Oh, Saturn.
Saturn.
Planet
I
Saturn.
mean-
Mayo. The dump truck.
How come you didn't tell me to make it?
Oh, you build the wagon.
How come
Or-
it's so soft?
It's made out of styrofoam. That's why.
Oh, so
It's not
soft.
real wood. You like it?
Yeah, it's so soft.
Yeah.
I need to tear it apart.
Okay.
Scratch, scratch, scratch.
Okay, Mommy, what's the next project?
The wagon.
Wagon? Okay. Where's the picture? I want to see the picture. Okay, I see it. There's the wagon. Okay. Done, Mommy?
Yeah.
All right.
Easy.
Okay, folks, now we have a wagon. Hey, where's the horse, Mommy? The horse will pull this wagon, Mommy. Where's the horse? I think I saw a horse a while ago, Mommy. Oh, there's the horse, Mommy.
Ah.
Yay! The nuts and bolts, Mommy. Okay, horsey, horsey, pull the wagon. Yeah. Nice, horsey. Yeah. There you go. The horse is pulling the wagon. Nice, eh? Cute. That's a cute horse. What, Maya?
Look at my den. I have this.
Your den?
Yeah, this is my cat.
What are you playing?
Animal Jam. My name is
Animal
Yeah,
Jam.
my name is Little Red Cat. But
Oh,
not
okay.
cat. I
Okay.
can't find the bunny name.
Okay.
This is the cat from a pyramid.
Okay.
That's scary.
What?
This says welcome.
Yeah, welcome.
And here's the place where you see your picture. I click a picture of this and put it in my frame.
That's nice, Maya.
Yeah, everyone's done that. And then here's my princess
Throne.
throne. And here's my place where I
Cute.
can sit down and
I
eat my
see.
food.
Uh-huh.
What
There you go, Maya.
What is this?
A wagon.
A wagon. No,
Yay.
it's called the farm wagon.
Yeah, it's a farm wagon.
No, it's a fart wagon.
A fart wagon?
No,
Silly.
it's called the cow. A car wagon. You have to
A car wagon?
Yeah, you have to put a cow in here, and you have to
Oh, a
drive
cow wagon.
Yeah, you have to drive the cow wherever you want to go.
Yeah.
And then at 20 o'clock, you have to stop it and put it in before the cow turns into a chicken.
Oh, what is this, Mommy? What is this?
Sled.
A sled?
Yeah.
Like a snow sled?
Yep.
Oh, cute! And this one, yay! A rocking horse. Yeah, dig 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 dig. Yay! A rocking horse. Is this for Aleida, Mommy? Too small. Too small for Aleida. Okay, now we have a photo frame or a picture frame. Look at Maya, so pretty, oh. Happy Mother's Day, love Maya. Did she write it, Mommy?
Yeah.
Awesome, so sweet.
Yeah.
Maya, so pretty. Nice,
This
Maya.
is called the wolf sweat because
A what?
a wolf sweat because
A wolf sled?
yeah, you know why?
Why?
I call it that because in the Arctic, there's people that ride on sleds and wolves push the sleds.
Pull the sled, right?
Pull the sled.
The wolves pull the sled.
Yeah, and this horse is called the Molly horse because you get to ride on its head.
Maya, you're too big. You're gonna break it. Cute Maya, no? A rocking horse.
It doesn't rock a lot, see?
It does, see?
Not a lot.
There you go.
Why is it not going too fast?
And a sled.
The horse is riding on sled.
Uh-huh.
Da-na-na, I'm going to start.
Oh, what is that, Mommy?
Bus.
You mean a school bus?
Yeah.
Oh, nicey. Where's the picture? I want to see the picture. Oh, there you go. A school bus. Awesome.
Wait.
I know what that is, Mommy.
What?
A clock.
Right?
There are the two hands.
Uh-huh.
Awesome. Where's the picture? I want to see the picture. There you go. A clock.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. A clock. And what time is it? It's time to take a nap. 12 noon, Mommy. 12 noon.
12 noon. Okay.
There you go. 12 noon. How about 12:30?
Okay.
There you go. 12:30. Now, Mommy, 1 o'clock.
Okay.
There you go. 1 o'clock. Yay. And mommy's favorite time, 6 o'clock.
And why?
There you go. Mommy's favorite time, 6 o'clock. What do we have, Maya?
A school bus and a clock.
Yay.
I know what rhymes.
You know what?
I know what rhymes with clock.
Okay.
Lock, walk, walk.
You like the school bus, Maya?
Yeah.
Nice, eh? Cute.
Walk.
What are you watching, Maya?
I'm playing a game. But
Oh,
right now,
Still Animal Jam?
no, it's not Animal Jam.
What's that?
It's called the Monster.
Whatever.
It's called the.
Whatever that is,
It's
it
called
looks fun.
Monster Island.
Monster Island?
Yeah, look.
Okay.
We can look. I can show you Thomas' game after this.
A Thomas game?
Yeah, the Thomas.
You mean
game.
Thomas the Tank Engine?
Yeah, there's a race with Thomas fighting, getting hungry.
Yeah. Oh, there is Thomas.
Yeah, let's play it.
Thomas the Tank Engine. Thomas and
It's a
friends. It's a race?
Yeah.
It's a racing
this
game?
one or this one or this one? Which one?
Racing game.
Okay, this one. Thomas. Name Thomas.
Who are you, Maya?
I'm Thomas.
Oh, Thomas versus Joe. Oh, wheelie time. Wheelie time.
I got win.
Thomas is so fast. Yay. James is catching up. Hurry, Thomas. Booster wheelie. Yay, Thomas wins. Yay, he's the champ. Thomas is the fastest.
That's Toby.
Yeah, Thomas versus Toby. Yo, Harry, Maya. Booster wheelie. Yay. What, Maya?
Where's the saw?
The saw? Maybe in the drawer. Look for it.
See?
Maybe here. There's the saw.
Oh.
There's the saw.
I'm gonna cut.
Galing, Maya. Oh.
Oh, I hurt my finger.
Nice, Maya. Very good. Wow, good job. There you go. Awesome, Maya.
I think I could. Oh, I'm breaking the horse.
Okay, I'm fixing it.
Oh, you're breaking the horse.
I'm not
You're
breaking
killing
it.
the horse. What's this do?
Loosen it. Okay, the horse is fixed.